Shalom to the distinguished leaders of the community, to all of you, and of course, to our friend Ed Bowles, the minister in the British government, who has been so kind in his words to us. Shalom and welcome to all of you. Raise your flags. We want to see those flags. We want to see the sea of flags. Yes. We want to see the magenta breathing Trafalgar Square. Something which our parents have dreamt of for generations. Indeed, Israel was born here. Zionism took on here with Chaim Weizmann, with the leaders of the Jewish community, a great community, with the philosophers and thinkers. 100 years ago, a young British politician, Winston Churchill in Manchester, saw the Jewish community and said, "This is an incredible community," and indeed, it is today an incredible community. I've come from Jerusalem with a lot of pain and challenges in front of us. Today, the Israeli government has decided to agree to an agreement to release our soldiers from Lebanon. Last night, I placed my vote by proxy, saying yay in favor of bringing our sons and brothers home. I go there. We pray and we work hard as much as we can to bring our brother Gilad Shalit back from Gaza to his family. Yes. But this only speaks of our challenges. We have great challenges in front of us. And in each generation, b'chol dor vador, we have to meet those challenges. And the threats are great, and the success is great, and we are indeed a proud country, a flourishing country, a proud democracy, multicultural, and yet, as we all know, there is a looming threat from the east, from a coalition of hatred from Tehran, which we all must challenge together, which all must fight together. This calls for the world community at large, and its leaders, to be strong enough, to be proud enough, to be forthcoming and demanding enough, and here in the landmark that portrays bravery and courage in British history. From here we say, we will not cave in, we will stand together, we will overcome this challenge together, we will raise our flag. Yes. Together we will stand and fight. Together we will meet the challenges wherever they are. Together we will bring Aliyah. We will be proud of Israel. We will meet those who castigate us. We will challenge those who blasphemize us, even in some quarters of British public life. They have no clue what Israel is all about. They do not know what Israel is all about. They have no clue about Israeli democracy, right of free speech, Israeli values, Jewish values. They have no clue about our success in arts and culture, agriculture, education, sciences, technology. They have no clue what is the vision of a country that was born out of battle, that has brought over people from 100 countries, just like in a biblical prophecy, to create one of the most exciting and proud countries in the world. So thank you very much to you. Raise your flag, and together we will stand. God bless the Queen. God save the Queen. God bless the people of Israel. God bless the state of Israel.
Okay.